There's a moment when a song feels like it's smiling at you, not because it wants approval, but because it knows something you don't. Power words first, playful, sideways, unbothered. This music operates on a frequency that feels accidental, but isn't. And once it clicks, you realize the chaos is carefully arranged. Golly, that realization changes everything you thought a band was supposed to be. Camper Van Beethoven never acted like genre was a destination. It was more like a prank. Punk energy collided with folk fiddles, ska rhythms wandered into country detours, and global textures drifted in without asking permission. The band sounded like they were casually passing ideas around, but underneath that looseness was sharp intent. Take the Skinheads Bowling is the perfect entry point because it refuses to explain itself. The melody bounces, the rhythm stays light, the lyrics feel like inside jokes you weren't invited to decode. That's the point. Meaning isn't the reward. Momentum is. The song invites you to sing along without understanding why. And somehow, that makes it more honest. Pictures of Matchstick Men flips familiarity on its head. Instead of reverence, the band approaches the song with relaxed curiosity. The tempo loosens. The vocals observe rather than declare. It feels like watching a classic film with the sound turned slightly sideways, recognizable but comfortably strange. Then there's Eye of Fatima, Part 1, where Camper Van Beethoven leans fully into exploration. The rhythm drifts instead of driving. Instruments feel like scenery more than structure. The song unfolds like a travelogue that forgot to tell you where it's headed. It's abstract without being cold, experimental without flexing. What makes the band quietly brilliant is how seriously they took not taking themselves seriously. Humor wasn't decoration, it was structure. Absurdity became a way to sidestep cliches and let curiosity lead. Songs feel like overheard conversations, half stories that trust the listener to lean in rather than wait for a punchline. Their influence isn't obvious because it doesn't announce itself. You hear it in bands that value personality over polish, in music that sounds relaxed while being secretly precise. Camper Van Beethoven proved that being musically smart didn't require sounding important. And when the groove tilts just slightly off-center, the fiddle sneaks in where it shouldn't, and the song grins without explaining itself, you stop trying to pin it down. You just let it move, let it wander, and suddenly nothing else sounds quite as alive, quite as free, quite as unapologetically itself.